All right, welcome to your next project. In this project, we're going to be building a theme called Bloggin, which is basically like a dashboard or a back end to a blog, similar to WordPress. Obviously, this is much less in depth than the back end WordPress theme, but same idea, same type of website, I guess. We've been building basically websites up to this point, or website UIs. Now this is more of an application UI. All right, so we're actually not going to use any custom CSS whatsoever for this theme. It's all Bootstrap classes. So this is the dashboard here. Notice the nav bar is thinner than usual. We're going to take away the padding. We're going to have links here and then some links over here. So this will be a welcome drop down with a profile and settings page. We have a logout page. Or logout link, I should say. We have some sections here. Now, each of these is connected to a modal. So add post, you'll see we have title, category, an image upload. We're even using a WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get editor called CK editor, which is really easy to implement and allows you to, have headings and stuff like that. So really cool. We have add category, which just has a title, and add user, which has name, email, password, and confirm password. I kind of branded everything. The post is blue, the category is green, and the users is yellow, so the different resources. And then we just have the latest post on the home page with inside of a table, and then a simple footer. Okay, if I were to click on posts, that'll bring us to the posts table. Has a little search box, some pagination, categories. You can see it's just branded a different color, and users. Now, if I click on a details link, it'll take us to the post details, which has the title, some buttons here to save and delete and go back, and then some form fields inside of a card. We're also using the editor here as well. Okay, so we can go back. Let's see, we also have the profile page, which has some buttons up here, change password, delete account. We have a little avatar. We can edit, delete image. Obviously, these aren't functional. This is just the UI, and then some fields. For the settings page, it's very simple. We just have a couple checkbox. I wanted to do something different than inputs or text inputs, so we have some radio buttons here. And then we also have a login page, which if I click logout, that'll redirect us to it, which is just a very simple login page. We don't have any links in the menu because the idea is that you have to be logged in to see this stuff. And then if I click login, it'll actually take us back to the dashboard. All right, and I forgot to mention over here, we just have some boxes with like the number of posts, the number of categories and users, and so on. Okay, so that's what we'll be building, guys. Actually, let me show you the responsiveness of it. So there's been no custom CSS. It's all Bootstrap, so it should be responsive. We are using a table, which unfortunately, if you go too small, doesn't look very good. But this should be all right on mobile devices. And we just have our buttons here. The modals fit right in. We have our menu. Okay, we can still use the drop downs. And if we go down here, that looks good. If we go to like the details page, if we go to the resource pages, those look good. What else? Settings and the login page. Okay, so it's completely responsive. All right, so that's what we'll be building, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's get started.